Hello everybody, how are you today? My name is Mohnish Sharma, the Consciousness Explorer, and today I would like to talk about how to turn your intentions into actions. Yesterday I talked about how to empower yourself. Now, if you haven't seen this video, please click on the link below, start watching this video, and now we move to the second step, how to turn your intentions into actions. I will give you 5 simple steps. Step number 1, picture your ideal life. You got it? Picture your ideal life. Secondly, your current life. So picture your ideal life and how's your current life. Identify the gaps. Now you find clarity about the gaps. Step number 2, set your goals, but be smart. Smart goals, specific, measurable, realistic, and time-based. Now it's time for execution. Be accountable. The step number 3, be accountable for all your actions. Whatever happens, stick to your plan. Don't give up. When things are not working, go back to your blueprint of your actions. Try to find out how to tweak them here and there so you can move forward. Plan, do, action. Number 4, celebrate your victories. Whatever happens, you can count your learnings and also your blessings, and celebrate every achievement you will have on this journey. This will boost your self-empowerment and your mind, spirit, just to move on. Number 5, share your experiences. By sharing, you will find like-minded people who will inspire you, and you will also find people who you will inspire. So this is a win-win situation, and we all benefit, and we all are uplifting each other to reach our goals. These are the 5 simple steps. If you would like to know more about how to empower your life, I've created a 3-part video series, Become the Creator of Your Destiny, which is free, no charges. I've also created a 6-part video series, Become the Writer of Your Life Script, for a special price. If you are interested, click on the links below. I will provide you all the details. Stay well, stay safe. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Cheers and bye for now.